Speaker, sir, I request to call the attention of the Minister for Power to the following matter of urgent public importance. Fear and anxiety in the minds of contract workers in the Power Department that they would lose an opportunity to get regularized, as the department has been continuously going ahead with new recruitments. These contract workers, Speaker, sir, have been working for almost 12 years and have given their best of their lives to the department in services of the people of Goa. Many of these contract workers belong to the ST community and are totally dependent on jobs for their livelihood. Further, a relaxation in minimum age recruitment may be considered as a one-time measure and be made permanent in the department.
I can answer these day after.
Yes, okay.